MotoGP pole to equal significant for Marc Marquez. Alongside him, second here last year, Danilo De Bruyne, 2017 back on the 5th row.
Yeah, that's his third crash.
Wait to see what's happened. Bradler Assen, I'm told. Oh, he lost it. Wow. They both went down together. So first of all, well, I think what it was Karel Abram went down. Place for him, his worst qualifying. But the stat that you gave me earlier on today, I must say, Neil, he's not pushing the boundaries every time he's got on a thing. Here comes.
Hey, this is how you run.
Yeah,
it's impressive. Karel Abraham
there as well, and he'll be able to, instead of going up that laps, 70.2 miles, and they're away. Good start from Marquez. This is turn 1. In towards turn 2. Rossi has gone back to something like 6th place already. Around the outside comes Lorenzo. Morbidelli gets in there. One way, then the other. It's Quartararo. He's got an awful start, Quartararo. He's been properly up with him. Jack Miller behind him as well. That's whose fault? Hey! Right now, out front, Marc Marquez, Petrucci, Miller, 2 miles. Oh, look at it, here comes Rossi! Rossi up the inside then. You know, I was talking about Paul Espargaro. Take a look where he is right now. Paul Espargaro on the kece, man, huge pace in the first lap. Oh, hang on.
That was from a long way back.
Petrucci from a long way back. And then Marquez whips it. Sticks his leg in front of Paul Espargaro, that won't worry him. Look at this.
Yeah, Paul's been fast all weekend. He's up.
We have another Ducati of the...
Kawan kita tadi siapa mana? Ada aku tahu. Lihat gugur di sana nah. Jangan kita. Ayo kita datangi dah dulu. Ayo burukan. Ayo putar balik.
Anybody, wasn't it, Keith?
It really was, but from that far back, we always knew him jumping. So through 3, on to 4. Cal Crush so far down, of course. Here comes Jack underneath Petrucci.
Do you know what? Every move you see completely wide.
Rossi and Dovizioso comes through, so Dovizioso now moves up.
Huh?
Beefy chicane. Julian cracking up back at home right now. They'll have a go at a bit of friend.
Make mistakes there.
And this is the blue S's. Again, tighter S's as we lead onto the short, sharp main arena here, past the big grandstands. When I say 24-hour, I mean the car 6-mile car park track. Wow, I tell you what.
Marquez makes it. It is going to be Dovizioso that holds on for second place with Danilo is celebrating because I think that's one of his predictions for the day in as well. It was. He's going to be on Paul Espargaro and KTM, and Mike Leitner has been good enough to talk to Simon Crapar.
How does that feel, Mike?
Barang gitu.